What's up, my dudes? Oh, I am beat to shit. Today was like kind of a bad day. You see? Boom, cut. Boom, cut. Yeah, I'm staying late at the shop today. I plan to do a little bit of body work on the 540 because it's been such a long time of me owning this baby and not looking like beautiful. I don't know what I'm gonna do. It's all a learning process, but for sure at the shop we got a stud gun and an orbital sander. Get it to the bare metal, then try to hit the stud gun and then pull the dent out, hopefully. You know the one on the door, like I did last time? Yeah, this one. So I'm working with. This is why I haven't been working on my projects, because I've been working on the shop's project. Impala. If your boy learns body work right now, and I actually like find out how to do it, I'm gonna start buying shit boxes that are ugly and just fix them up. AKA all the fleet that I have. If you're watching this video and you know body work, don't shame me, but do comment below any tips because I need help. Fingers crossed I don't fuck up the 540. Let's get it. I mean, it's already messed up, bros. Like, I can't mess it up anymore. It's just kind of scary, the fact that I had to do that, you know what I mean? Like, go ahead and make that first jump of, like, sanding that bit. Hopefully, this is the beginning to a new revolution, you know what I'm saying? Hey, why y'all convince me to do this? Look what I did. Look what happened. I'm out here just tweaking. Goddamn, boy, I just didn't devalued my car this much. I'm gonna go ahead and try to do the stud gun and get that. So, I just wanted to give you a little update. This is how it looks. But, boy, it's alright, bro. Like, honestly, it's good. In reality, it's just a car, you know what I mean? And if I fuck up, I could just pay other people to fix it. This is just what I have to do to go. This is what I have to go through if I want to learn. It's gonna be the first time for everything, you know? It's coming! You bitch, you bitch, you bitch. This is where we're at, fellas. Looking like a damn fool running down the street. Honestly though, when I drive it, I feel like I'm a boss-ass bitch. But then I remember that this side is just horrible. But it's kind of cool to see it in like a work in progress, you know? Let me tell you what I did. Originally, before I just do it, like originally when I was diving in this, I thought I was just gonna orbital sand the whole car. I actually started with 80 grit right here to get to the bare metal. And then I went to 150 and I was gonna 150 the whole car. Until Kyle screwed me and was like, dude, you're gonna mess up the car. And the body guy at work was laughing at me like, oh shit. Old man was like, no, Chris, you're gonna fuck up your car. So what we did, we sandblocked 220 all the clear coat. I still gotta get these like little bubbles out. And I'm trying to do cross hatching. I'm learning as I'm going. Some tips that I learned that you guys might need to know. Cross hatch, look it up on the internet, but basically you just go like this. I literally was just going like, wax on. I'm getting more understanding of it. What I now understand is, reason why they're saying I was gonna mess up the car is because I did 150, right? Imagine like 150, you're just removing a whole bunch of material. So think about it. My dumbass was out here 150 the whole car, right? That's taking off so much material. By the time I go to like 400 and 600, the damn car is not gonna have that much material anymore. Also right here, check it out. This was that dent that I was working on. This is how it looks now. I just hit a whole bunch of tack welds in there, so I can go ahead and fill it instead of using Bondo. And I've been told the less Bondo, the better. So adding the metal right here and then sanding it down to make it look flush, and then a little bit of Bondo work is gonna be great versus like leaving that dent like that, because I couldn't really pull it out with the stud gun. And then adding Bondo, it's just gonna crack. What's even more funny, it's like people on the left side of me, they look at me and I'm just like vibing, right? But then say if I make a U-turn, they see this side. So far I only done one side, so. Before you leave, what's next on the bodywork? Because I almost orbital sand the whole car 150. Is there any tips you could give me before I start?
You have to go to the next step.
Yeah.
With 400.
400.
But with water.
Oh, wet sand?
Yeah, wet sand.
Okay, and then after the 400, do I do 600?
Then no. Then you could paint.
Oh, okay.
You could paint.
Okay.
And you're not talking about the whole car, do you?
Yes, the whole car.
Okay. Well, after that, after the paint,
yeah,
you sand it with 1000.
1000 after I paint?
After you paint.
Okay.
Because you want a good job, it's your car. It's not somebody else. Then you sand the whole car with water sandpaper 1000. And then you throw the clear.
Okay. Do I do the parts where it's metal? Do I spray primer on that and then sand it? Or do I just leave it metal?
If it's metal, you have to prime it.
Okay.
You have to.
And I don't have to prime the whole car?
No, only the spot that you're gonna paint.
Okay. Hasta mañana.
Hasta mañana,
This is day 3 of sanding.
When we started with 180 to level the surface. We had a lot of rock debris and chips. Now, let's say that was a rear bumper. We wouldn't use 180. We would just scuff the surface around any of the damage.
Wow, one day I'll look like this. Nice to see you again. Shout out to Kyle, came by. So the front end, Kyle did this spot. Looks sick, it's all like blended in. It's soft, no hard edges. And over here is what I need to pay attention to. And the trunk and the driver's side and so on and so on. So I'm gonna get to that and it's just gonna be a sanding video now. You guys thought it was over, huh? It's just beginning.
Come on.
It's whack for me to fake it.
Alright, whatever.
It's even whacker when it doesn't work. If you guys want to see more, just go ahead and comment. It's just basically sanding. There's no cool stuff about it. I can't really make it that much cooler. The only thing I can recommend is just hang with the bro that'll help you out. Shout out to Kyle. And some good music, right? And maybe, depending on what state you're in, a dolly hammer.
Yep. Never forget your dolly hammer.
Yes. All right, fellas. Comment below if you want to see more. Other than that, farewell. Yes, sir. This is like 3 days, I think. 3 half days. Alright, some of the major updates that I'm pretty proud on doing is I pulled this dent that was in the trunk. I didn't get a before shot, but here's the after. It's kind of mellow, man. I think Bondo should do the work. I also filled this up with weld and then grind it down, and I think Bondo is gonna skim coat it. But for the most part, shout out to Kyle. He fucking did this whole side because I didn't really know what I was doing. So yeah, this is just Kyle's work. I still gotta get the bottom, but for the most part, all this beautiful sanding. That's Kyle, and I was over here like trying to get this little crevice, all that clear coat. I was over here doing this. I did this stuff. Then Kyle just came back over it and went over it. But yes, I got the understanding now, so I'm gonna get back to it. One whole side of 220 grit. It took us, well, I don't really know because keep in mind I'm new to it. So one side of the car, 220 grit, including the trunk and a little piece of the hood, pulling the dent out, about 3 half days. I want to give one full day and see how far I could get now that I know how to kind of low-key sand. And I don't think there's any more major dents besides on the driver's side. But if you guys want to do bodywork, you can do it, man. This shit's possible. It's just scary to start it. But it looks sick. Like, you can see the work in progress going on. Alright, comment below if you guys want to see more of the bodywork that I'm doing. E30 is still coming up. I just focusing on this right now, and that's the thing. And I noticed that with sanding, I'm hopping everywhere. I can't just sand one spot, focus. I'm like, ooh, sand. Oh shit, that needs work, sand. Oh shit, this needs work, sand. So I'm like everywhere, just like in life. But E30 is like so close. It's gonna be done. This car's gonna be done. I just want to make them all lined up and be done at the same time. So I'm stoked, and I hope you're stoked. I'll see you soon, fam. And much love, motherfuckers. I really appreciate you guys, alright? Oh yeah, if you want to see behind the scenes, just follow me on Instagram, because that's where I post like the photos and stuff. But for the most part, you know, it's early, gotta get to work. Peace, y'all.